Your sedum is struggling. Leaves turning yellow, holes in the leaves, worse, mushy stems. Here's the deal. If you don't fix it now, it's only going to get worse. But don't worry, in this video, we'll show you exactly how to stop sedum diseases, kill off pests, and get your plants thriving again. No expensive solutions, just fast, proven fixes that work. If your sedum is getting all tall and floppy with barely any flowers, you're overfeeding it. Yep, sedums hate rich soil. They thrive in tough conditions. If your sedum randomly dies in patches, it's too crowded. Overcrowding kills airflow, and that's how fungal diseases spread. Aphids are basically little vampires for plants. They suck the sap, make the leaves curl, and spread diseases. You need to handle them fast. Holes in sedum leaves? Slugs and snails are the culprits. And guess what? They love wet, mulchy gardens. If your sedum is turning to mush at the base, that's crown rot, caused by overwatering or poor drainage. And once it starts, there's no going back.